up, guys? So going out for another shed hunt today. It's been about 6 days since I found those first few whites of 2019, and I'm going out today. I'm really hoping that some of the bucks have shed. I'm hoping for some reason they're shedding really late this year, which I don't know why, but I'm actually headed to a new area today that I have never shed hunted in before. So I'm excited and I'm also nervous. That's kind of how it goes with new areas, but we'll try it out, see how it goes. If it doesn't work out, then it's the risk I'm willing to take, right? Right now I'm just drinking my Mountain Ops Ignite, just to get myself all fueled up for the hike. I'm doing the green apple flavor today. It's super good. If you guys have never tried out Mountain Ops before, you need to. They're an awesome company, great guys, and their products are awesome. Hopefully we get into some browns today, but you know, if not, it's all good. I'll have fun anyways. What's up, guys? So I've been hiking for a long time, and there's so much sign out here. This country is super beautiful and it's just awesome out here. I'm really happy with it. But as I was coming up, right when I was getting into the good country, I crossed some boot tracks, and then I veered off of those and went up higher and crossed another set of boot tracks. So someone's been here. Kind of started getting discouraged, but I'll still hike it around just to see this country. And I'm headed back to the Jeep right now, and I'm pretty sure that I just spotted the first shed of the day, but I'm not 100% sure. So I could walk up on it and it could be a stick. I don't know. It is right there. Is that a shed? Please say that's a shed. Yeah, it's a shed. Is that brown? What the heck? All right, well, that is one of the weirdest sheds I've ever seen, dude. That is super weird. It's got like a super stubby, that is brown though. For sure that's brown. Just took some pictures of this guy. Awesome. Heck yeah, dude. It's a really weird shaped shed. It's got like a super short little bottom end. Squirrels already got to it. That was quick. But hey, not bad.